The truth about toilet paper's eco-journey. Did you know ancient civilizations used everything from leaves to seashells instead of toilet paper? This intriguing tidbit highlights how human hygiene practices have evolved. Today, we rely on toilet paper for comfort and cleanliness, a far cry from the past. Toilet paper has a fascinating history. Introduced in the 6th century in China, it became essential in modern society by the 19th century. Its convenience and hygiene benefits make it irreplaceable in our daily lives today. Toilet paper production primarily uses wood pulp, recycled paper, and sometimes bamboo. These materials are chosen for their softness, strength, and availability, ensuring a balance of comfort and functionality in the final product. Wood pulp is sourced from trees, typically softwoods like pine. This process has an environmental impact, including deforestation and habitat loss. Sustainable forestry practices aim to mitigate these effects, promoting responsible resource management. Recycled paper offers significant benefits. It reduces waste and conserves natural resources. The recycling process involves collecting, sorting, and cleaning used paper, turning it into new pulp. This method supports a circular economy and lowers environmental footprints. Toilet paper companies are increasingly adopting sustainable practices to lessen environmental impact. These include using responsibly sourced materials, reducing water and energy consumption, and implementing recycling programs. Such efforts aim to preserve natural resources for future generations. Wood chips are converted to pulp through mechanical or chemical processes. The mechanical method grinds the wood, while the chemical method uses heat and chemicals to break down fibers. Both methods prepare the pulp for paper making. Eco-friendly pulping methods, such as using enzymes or biopulping, minimize environmental harm. These processes reduce energy and chemical use, resulting in lower emissions and waste. They represent a significant step towards greener toilet paper production. After pulping, the mixture undergoes cleaning to remove impurities. This step ensures the pulp is free from contaminants like dirt, ink, and adhesives. Clean pulp is crucial for producing high-quality, safe toilet paper. Modern bleaching processes use chlorine-free methods to whiten the pulp. Techniques like oxygen, ozone, and hydrogen peroxide bleaching are environmentally friendly. These methods reduce harmful byproducts, contributing to a safer production process and cleaner environment. The cleaned pulp is spread evenly across large screens to form sheets. This step ensures a uniform thickness and texture. The sheets are then allowed to settle, creating the base material for toilet paper rolls. Once the sheets are formed, they go through a pressing process. This step removes excess water, making the sheets more solid and durable. After pressing, the sheets enter the drying phase. Large heated rollers or drying machines evaporate any remaining moisture. This stage is vital for achieving the right balance between softness and durability in the final product. The dried sheets are then cut into smaller, manageable pieces. Precision cutting ensures that each piece meets specific size requirements. This step prepares the paper for the next stage, ensuring consistency and consumer satisfaction. Finally, the cut pieces are rolled into the familiar toilet paper rolls. The rolling process shapes the paper into tight, uniform rolls, ready for packaging. Consistent rolling is key to maintaining product quality and user convenience. Quality checks are vital in toilet paper production to ensure softness, strength, and consistency. Each roll undergoes multiple inspections, from texture assessments to durability tests, guaranteeing the final product meets consumer expectations and industry standards. Packaging involves wrapping the final product in eco-friendly materials, often with recyclable or biodegradable options. This not only protects the rolls during transport, but also aligns with growing consumer demand for sustainable packaging solutions. Recent innovations in the toilet paper industry include the development of bamboo-based products, which offer a renewable and sustainable alternative to traditional wood pulp. These innovations help reduce environmental impact while maintaining product quality and performance. The environmental impact of toilet paper production is significant, involving deforestation, water usage, and chemical emissions. However, many companies are adopting greener practices, such as using recycled materials and reducing water consumption, to mitigate these effects. Alternatives to traditional toilet paper include bidets, reusable cloth wipes, and bamboo toilet paper. These options offer varying degrees of sustainability and can significantly reduce environmental footprints, presenting consumers with viable, eco-friendly choices. Consumers today are increasingly aware of their environmental footprint, including their choice of toilet paper. Eco-friendly options, like those made from recycled paper or bamboo, are gaining popularity for their minimal environmental impact and sustainable sourcing practices. Cost considerations also play a role in consumer choices. While eco-friendly toilet paper can be slightly more expensive, many are willing to pay a premium for products that align with their environmental values. The market reflects this growing demand. Market trends indicate a shift towards sustainability, with more brands introducing eco-friendly lines and reducing plastic packaging. Innovations in production methods aim to further reduce environmental impact while maintaining quality and affordability for consumers. Global toilet paper consumption is staggering, with billions of rolls used annually. This immense demand highlights the need for more sustainable practices in the industry to mitigate deforestation and pollution, while meeting the needs of a growing population. Here's a fun fact. The average person uses about 100 rolls of toilet paper per year. This quirky statistic underscores the importance of making environmentally conscious choices in our daily lives to reduce waste and preserve resources. The entire process of toilet paper production, from sourcing raw materials to packaging the final product, involves numerous steps. Each stage, from pulping and bleaching to drying and rolling, ensures the paper is soft, strong, and hygienic. Sustainable toilet paper production offers several benefits. It reduces environmental impact, conserves resources, and promotes responsible consumption. By choosing eco-friendly options, consumers can support practices that prioritize the planet's health and future generations. Choosing eco-friendly toilet paper options is a simple yet impactful way to contribute to sustainability. Opt for brands that use recycled materials and eco-friendly processes, making a positive difference with every purchase. For more content on how to live sustainably, subscribe to our channel. Stay informed about eco-friendly choices and innovative solutions that help protect the environment and promote a healthier planet for all. Sustainability starts with small daily choices. By opting for products that are kind to the environment, we can collectively create a significant impact. Every step towards sustainability counts, and together we can make a difference.